Alright boys, this is a quick and very random video, and this is the Razer Iskur 2 gaming chair that I would not recommend buying at all. However, this issue apparently is somewhat common online, and it was happening to me for like a month straight and making me lose my mind, alright? So I kind of figured it out, and I thought I might as well make the video just in case any of you guys have the same chair and have the same issue. So basically, what happens, right, is down here on the right side of the chair, you have your lumbar support, which is this thing, which is a piece of shit. However, when you pull this up, this comes all the way out. So like you get an arch in your back for like posture or something, which in my opinion is completely stupid. Basically, the issue is if you pull the lever and push it all the way in, slowly over time, you'll hear like a clicking or popping noise. It goes like click, 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 like very, very slowly, and starts to make its way all the way out until it can't go anymore. And no matter how many times you push it all the way back in, it just keeps on slowly making its way out. Now, I did a whole bunch of research, and it's kind of common sense, but basically what happens is there's like a mechanism in there with like teeth or something. I don't know how it works, but basically, when you push it all of the way in, it doesn't lock properly on the inside mechanics. So, just like I have it here, is you gotta push it in, but not all the way. It has to be out a little tiny amount. So you're still gonna have that arch in your back, which I don't like at all, but you just kind of have to deal with it with this chair. So basically all you want to do is pull this lever up, and then you can push it all the way in, but then let it come out maybe an inch or two, and then let go of the lever and leave it there. I did this about a week ago, and it hasn't moved ever since. So, you know, I doubt this will help anybody, because, like, nobody has this chair. But if it does, you know, make sure to leave a like on the video. And I'd appreciate it if you subscribed. But anyways, I know this is random, and I'll see you guys later.